Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Lenovo ThinkPad X13s laptop. Lenovo has announced the world's first laptop powered by premium Snapdragon 8cx Generation 3 compute platform running up to Windows 11 Pro. And friend, this ultra slim, ultra light fanless design delivers the next level of silent, always on, always connected PC experience in addition to incredible multi-day battery life rated to up to 28 hours, AI accelerated experience, enhanced 5G connectivity option including mmWave and application support through the Microsoft app, assured the program for seamless productivity and security and collaboration. And friend, wheels read 90% certified recycled magnesium in the top and bottom covers, 97% PCC plastic in battery printed circuit board and battery frame with recyclable carton and bumpers in packaging. And it is designed to consume less energy, manufactured using Lenovo's low temperature shoulder method that can reduce carbon emission by up to 35%. ThinkPad X13s also includes low power 13.3-inch 16:10 display configuration with touch or Eyesafe low blue light options. And friend, the reduced need for AC power can help reduce energy consumption. And friend, if I talk about the availability, it is available from starting May 2021. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the starting price is 1399 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.